better view like, get a better view like.
Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Blessing Mariah. I apologize if it's the third time you're seeing me in this top and this setting. It's because I banged out those 3 videos in the same day, so I apologize for the same look, but I mean, I gotta use time as I have it. So as you see in the title of the video, I have an initial review of this hair from Nadula hair company. This is just an initial and unboxing review, so it's not like I don't have it installed yet, but I will be filming an install review before. So for those who don't know, Nadula is actually an AliExpress brand, but they also do have a regular website, and they actually do ship from the US and they ship from China. This hair came from California from when I seen the tracking stuff, so I guess this came from the US distributor. This hair came in 3 days, and it was free shipping. Like, what can you get better than that? It did say it was 5 to 7 days, but this here I ordered it on a Friday, it shipped out on a Saturday, and I got it on a Monday or Tuesday. One of those 2 days. I got it on a Monday, Tuesday. So it came in 3 days, in less than it said it would. It came in this nice box. Presentation is key, ladies. A lot of AliExpress brands be giving you your hair in those like the baggy things. Nadula ain't here to play with y'all. They put it in this nice cute box with their name on it, and then on the back they have some tips on how to take care of the hair, about their company. It says Nadula Beauty Hair Products, a professional manufacturer which has more than 20 years experience, has become a famous brand all over the world. Also has the most excellent hair extensions enterprise. Its set designs, production, management, and sales as a whole. Most of the customers love choosing Nadula for our worthy price, trusted, good quality, and warm heart service. Own Nadula, enjoy natural beauty. Boom. So the hair that I got is, I don't know where to put this so I can drop it. I got 4 bundles of their Brazilian curly. And the inches, I got 2 24s and 1 26. And then it came with a 18-inch frontal, and it also came with a pair of lashes. So this was actually, so yeah, so I got 5, it says 5 bundles of 5 items in total. So I'll let you know how much this would cost in total. I'm gonna go on their website and look it up. So the price of 4 bundles in a frontal for this texture would be around $297.28. So yeah, so 4 bundles in a frontal, about $300. When it comes to purchasing or receiving hair from like AliExpress vendors, I look for 4 key things. 1 being a smell, to see if the hair has a nasty stinky smell to it. 2 being the texture. 3 being the fullness, and 4 being the shedding. So I want to test all 4 of those things right now and tell you what I think. So I'm going to just take out one of the bundles. Yep, everything right here is. So it comes with a net over it. So the first thing for smell, it doesn't have a smell to it. It just smells like hair. Like processed hair. So it's not, there's no foul odor, but there is an odor. It's not a foul thing. Second thing, I want to test texture. So this is their, oh my god, it's so soft. What the fudge? So anyways, texture, this is the Brazilian curly, and look at these curls, like, and when I run my fingers through it, it's so soft. Oh my god, like, I don't want to stop touching it. The curls are really beautiful, as you can see. Can you see that? The curls are really nice. So I give it an A right now. This is before the install, so you don't know much before you install into your head, ladies. So don't take this video as like yes, buy it. Wait till my initial review and my install review to let you know when to get it or not. But yeah. when it comes to bundles, the longer lengths you get, the smaller it would be, but that doesn't mean you're getting less hair. A lot of things in the bundles come with the weighing of the bundle, so how much kilograms or grams you get, so that's when you know if you get less hair. But again, as you get longer lengths, the bundle will get small. But I think for a 26, this is really full. I watched a lot of other reviews from people who have it. I got front bundles and I might not even put all those 4 on my head, but I think the fact that I have 4 is better safe than sorry. So I think this is going to be I only will need 2 for this, but this is a 26. So for fullness, give it an A. I think it's decent for the length, so I give it that. And so for shedding, when I run my fingers through it, I didn't get anything. I'll show you again so you don't think I'm lying. So okay, so this time I got like 1 strand. You see that? Can y'all see that? I got like 1 or 2 strands for that. But again, this is curly hair. Like, so I'm expecting like 1 or 2 sheds. This is my second time with my fingers. This time nothing. This time nothing. So I think for shedding I give it an A. But again, ladies, this is curly hair, so it's bound to shed. So now I actually want to see the hair wet, so I'm going to bring y'all with me and I'm actually going to co-wash the hair. I haven't co-washed yet, so this is basically right out the package, so I want to co-wash it with y'all and y'all can see how it is when it's wet. So let's go to the bathroom. So now I'm going to show y'all how it is in the wet state. Again, this is straight out the package. No wet to it, so I'm going to wet it. I'm going to co-wash it and show y'all how it looks underwater.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Yeah, I be where the bosses be.
So this is how it looks wet. Can y'all see that? This is so wet. It's so beautiful. These curls are so freaking nice. This is it when it's wet. I got no shedding. Well, just 1 little strand. If you see it, 1 little strand. Nothing crazy. Remember, ladies, you always want to co-wash your hair before installing it because you want to like wash out the chemicals that are in there. These are how the ends look when they're wet. This hair is so bomb. From now, I'll keep reminding y'all for now. So yeah, this is how it looks in this wet state. I think it looks bomb. So I just co-washed all the bundles and I forgot to show y'all the frontal. I'm going to insert a clip that I took of the frontal before I co-washed it. Another thing I like about the frontal is the fact that the hair on the frontal matches the curl pattern on the bundles. So it's the same exact thing. A lot of times I've seen people order hair and the curl pattern is different and it's like a noticeable difference. But this, when I co-washed it, they both have the same exact wet and dry curl pattern, which is really good. So that ends this little review, initial keywords, initial review of Nadula hair. I'm installing this hair for spring break. I'm also dyeing it, so I'll let you know in my next video how it dyed and how good it is after dyeing it. Did it ruin the curls? Did it not ruin the curls? How it is to install maintenance wise, but things like that. So stay tuned for my next video about this hair on a more personal review, and I'll let you know how that goes.
Weeks later,
I'm back and this is the hair installed 3 weeks after I got it installed. A lot of things have happened in the last 3 weeks, so I'm gonna walk y'all through what we've been through together. This is installed. It's not a wig, it's actually installed into my head. I haven't had to get it installed since like July. But yeah, so this hair, this is not the original color that it was. You guys remember it was black and then I dyed it red, but this is not even the red that it originally was. So I'm going to post some videos of pictures of the color when I actually first installed it. It was a more brighter red, and I'll explain what happened after you guys watch these videos. So these are some clips of me when I first got the hair installed and how it looked when I first got it done.
Because you just love me, is that Gucci on my feet? You might be.
So with curly hair, you guys know you have to keep your hair hydrated and you have to keep your hair like moisturized and like wet kind of, see? So with me doing that throughout the trip and throughout the last 3 weeks, it bleeds. Right here bleeds. Like when I say bleed, I mean like when you wash it, when like I do shampoo or co-wash it, it turns like the shampoo and stuff red because it bleeds, because red is a strong color. I don't mind, that's my second time getting red hair. It ain't that. But originally, the person who helped me dye my hair didn't really dye it properly. It wasn't like red throughout. I wanted more of a brighter red, but I wasn't mad at the red that it was. It was still a good red, but I wanted a little bit more magenta red. But I still liked it regardless. But there was some tracks that were not fully dyed. You could still see the black in them, and some of them were still bleached. It was just a lot, but it wasn't nothing I was mad about. I couldn't fix it. I was in rush, like shit happens. So yeah, so bleed. So right now, like when it's wet, it has the red color, so you can see. When it dries, it has this like nice auburn orange color. I don't know how to explain it, but it's like a different color when it's dry than when it is wet, which makes sense, whatever. But that's it. Another thing that happened is the curl pattern, as you've seen from the clips, was more defined. It's because I got so tired of like co-washing my hair and everything. I ended up putting a wand curl through my hair, and you're not supposed to curly hair, like when I say curl, I mean with the curl line. I'm supposed to really put heat on it, can't straighten it, but like I was fed up, and I had an event to go to, and I was like, I want some wand curls. So I wand curled it, and this is the curl pattern after I put heat to it, and it's still beautiful. I still love it so much. So yeah, the hair is still soft after I dyed it. It's still manageable. It still doesn't shed a lot. Actually, it shedded, let me take that back. It shedded more after I dyed it because, whatever, chemicals ruin hair, but not as much as I thought you would think. So this is the hair. I'm gonna show you guys in the back how it looks. But yeah, I'm not mad about it. I definitely recommend getting Nadula hair. I think that for the 3 weeks that I've had it, I just get really bored with stuff. So that's why I wand curl, because I wanted to wand curl my hair, and I haven't wand curled my hair in so long because you guys know I wear synthetic wigs, so it's kind of hard to curl a synthetic wig. It's a whole other video. But yes, this hair is great. It's high maintenance because it's curly hair, but it's, like I said in the other video, it's low high maintenance. So yeah, I definitely would recommend, if you're going to dye your hair red, I say you just get blonde hair. I think that if you ever dye your hair any color, I just say start with the blonde bundles, because I feel as if like the bleaching and then the dyeing kind of like puts a lot of work on the hair. It kind of like, wears it down. So I think that if I'm ever going to do red again, or a bright color coming soon, I'm going to buy blonde bundles, so it's easier process to just dye them. But other than that, I think this hair is amazing. It's affordable, as you guys mentioned. I mentioned the prices earlier, but I'll put the prices again in the description box. But if you are looking for some nice, cheap, low, high maintenance, if that makes sense, curly hair, I do recommend getting Nadula hair. And if you want to see my curly hair routine, let me know. I'll let y'all see that. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm sorry for the 2 different like outfits and settings, and I told y'all I'll be back 3 weeks later, and today is 3 weeks later. So I hope you enjoy your day. I hope you enjoy this video, and make sure you check out Nadula hair.
I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me, never been